Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we solved the example of moment distribution method with the two steps, which is fixed end moment and the distribution factor. Today I am going to solve our third step, moment distribution and the bending moment diagram. Same as the previous video lecture, the main ABCD is here. Now draw this table which shows the support A, support B, support C and support D, which include the distribution factor and fixed end moment. Write down all the values of distribution factor here and values of fixed end moment of A, B, C and D. Now, the next step of moment distribution is to balance. Now, in moment distribution method, there are two terms, the balance and the carryover moment. Why the balance is required? So, there is the two end supports A and B, which is simply supported. In theoretical, we learn in theoretical we know that the simply support end moment is 0, but here we can see the fixed end moment at B and A have some values, so the balance is requirement. But if the fixed support is given, no requirement of balance. Now what we do, the balance, how to balance the support A and support B. So if the value is negative, then add positive of Fn. Then the summation of minus 54 and plus 54 will be 0. And carry over to support B. What is the carryover moment? Carryover moment is to moment to produce at the far end to moment produced at the nearer end. It means the half value of the other support. It means 54 divided by 2, which is 27. Okay. Next, support D, it means positive 30. Now add minus 30 and carry over to support C. It means minus 50. Here the B support and C support is the intermediate support. So there is no necessary to balance. Okay. So dash. Now summation of these two values are gives us initial moment. Minus 54 plus 54, 0, plus 54 plus 27, it means 81. Minus 48 as it is, plus 48 as it is. Now minus 30 minus 15 is minus 45 and plus 30 and minus 30 will be 0. Okay, the first step is complete here for the moment distribution. Now the second step is again the balance. Once you have done initial moment, then balance is required. Next, here support A and support D already zero moment. Then how the calculation of balance? So procedure of balance is 81. Now the procedure of balance. So first value is 81, second value is minus 48. Add both of them values and multiply with the distribution factor, both sides BA and BC. First we calculated or multiply the first value of BA, which is 0.5. Now calculation 81 minus 48 multiplied by 0.5, which is 16.5. When you complete this step, then change its sign means minus 16.5. Okay. Write down the value of balance minus 16.5 and 0 already is 0. Okay. Next step for the BC side. Now we can see the distribution factor of BA and BC is same. So value already same. So minus 16.5. Second balance of support C. Okay. So second step is plus 48 plus minus 45 multiplied by first is 0.526. Again here CB has distribution factor of 0.526 and CD has distribution factor 0.473. There are two values of balance. Okay. The first value is 48 minus 45 multiplied by 0.526. It means 1.578. Okay. 1.578. It means minus 1.578. Now put it here 1.578. This is the answer of CB. Next one is CD. Same procedure. 48 plus minus 45 multiplied by this distribution factor 0.473, which is 48 minus 45 multiplied by 0.473, which gives us plus 1.419. It means minus 1.419 and the 0. Okay. So the second step is complete here, the balance. Next, what we do? So here in this type of example, there are the three span AB, BC and CD. The carryover moment will be done. Okay. So carryover moment is cross moment. Okay. 60 minus, okay, then minus 16.5 carry over to support A. It means 8 point something. But here in previous, the moment of support A is 0. So we can write the 0 here. Okay. Next, 0 divided by 2. It means also the 0. Same as for the support D, 0 and 0. Now for the support B and support C, 16.5 divided by 2. It means 16.5 divided by 2, it's minus 8.25. Next is 1.578 divided by 2. It means minus 0.789. Okay. Once the carryover moment is done, then again the balance is required. Okay. So balance for support B and support C, balance is required. Okay. If both of them values are the same, stop equation of support B. Okay. So check the support C value. 48 minus 1.578 minus 8.25 plus 4.33, which is 42.50. Next is which is positive. If span CB and span CD values are not equal to, then previous procedure will be continued. Okay. So the moment of B plus or minus 64.89 and moment of C plus or minus 42.50, or you can also write the plus or minus 42.59. The third step of moment distribution is completed. The balance of support B and support C is calculated in previous step. Okay. So first we have two values for BA and BC. For BA calculation, 0 plus z minus of 7, 8, 9 whole multiplied by first distribution factor of BA, which is 0.5, gives us 0 minus 0.789 multiplied by 0.5. It means minus of 0.3945. Here you can see the negative value of balance, which is minus 0.3945. Sign will be the change plus 0.3945. Okay. So write down here 4, 5. Next is for the distribution factor of BC, but the distribution factor of BA and BC are same, so the value also is same, 0.3945. The next is support C for the member of CB. Okay, so minus 825 plus 0 whole multiplied by first distribution factor of CB is 0.526. It means minus 8.25 multiplied by 0.526 gives us 4.33, which is negative. Okay, so plus 4.33. Write here the value of balance of CB span. Next is for the CD span, minus 8.25 plus 0 multiplied by CD distribution factor, which is 0.473. So 0.473. Now calculate the minus 8.25 multiplied by 0.473, which is minus 3.90. So positive of 3.90. Write down here the value of CD span. Okay. So once you complete the balance procedure of C and B support, then summation of these four values is equal to summation of these four values are the same. Okay. Next, for the summation of these four values should be equal to summation of these four values. If it is not equal, then the previous procedure will be continued. Okay. Then here remember the summation of values are counted below this line, not this line. Okay. So plus 81 minus 16.5 plus 0 plus 0.3945, which is 64.89. Next is this minus 48 minus 16.5 minus 0.789 plus 0.3945, which is minus 64.89. You can see the two values are the same, but variation in the sign. Okay. For the CD span, minus 45 minus 1.49 plus 0 plus 3.90, which gives us minus 42.59. These two answers are nearly equal to. Okay. In previous step, we calculate this support moment like support A, support B, support C and support D. In next step, span moment of span AB, span BC and span CD. So the span AB carries UDL, span BC carries also UDL and span CD carries point load. So span AB moment will be WL square divided by 8. Also for this span BC, WL square divided by 12, and for span CD, which is WL by 4. Okay. So value of MAB is W is 50 and is 3.6 divided by 8, which is 50 multiplied by 3.6 square divided by 8, which gives 81 kilonewton into meter. Next is for span BC. W is 25 and is 4.8 meter square divided by 8, which is 25 multiplied by 4.8 square divided by 8, which is 72. Okay, so 72 kilonewton into meter. Next is for span CD moment. Okay, W is 60, L is 4 divided by 4. So answer 60 kilonewton into meter. So we have both values of support moments and span moment. So step number 5 is draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so how to draw the bending moment diagram? It have two values, okay, which includes the support moment and span moment. We calculate also both of them, calculate the moment distribution and calculate the span moment. Step number 3 gives the support moment and step number 4 gives the span moment. Okay, so support A moment is 0, support D moment is 0, support B is plus or minus 64.89 and support C have plus or minus 42.50, or you can say that the plus or minus the 42.59. Okay, so draw the values of support moment. Here you can see the 0 point of A and 0 point of B. The support moment are the drawn. Okay. Next, the span moment. Span AB and span BC have UDL. So the curve will be the parabolic. Okay. So value of AB 81. Value of BC 72. Value of CD is 60, but CD have 60 kilonewton, which is point load. So the curve will triangle. Okay. Drawing the support A, support B, and support C and D. Here the bending moment diagram is complete.